Tang Yu Gao, or fried brown sugar cake, a traditional Chinese pastry, is now a popular delicacy in a Chinese restaurant in Ghana. Han Yu Nestor is a Ghanaian pastry chef at a restaurant in downtown Accra, the capital of the West African country. Starting as a rookie nearly 6 years ago, Nestor has now grown into one of the pillars of the Chinese restaurant.
When I came here, I thought the Chinese is all about their movie, their dressing, but I can see there's more to learn in their food as well, and their cuisine is very, very international. It's going international, and I really like to learn more.
Nestor has been following his Chinese master Chen Guanghong, a veteran chef, on how to prepare a variety of Chinese pastries, from steamed buns to Chinese dumplings.
By the guidance of a Chinese master, I was able to learn, and he's a very good teacher as well. A good recipe, and it's a good food, and I would like everyone to come and then try the Chinese pastries. It's very good. I got a lot of feedbacks from the Chinese and then the Ghanaian diners in a positive way.
Chen, who has worked in the restaurant for 13 years, not only imparted the knowledge of pastry making to Nestor, but also taught him how to write Chinese characters and decorate dishes, which he believes would be a boost to the young pastry chef's career.
在这期间，我们重点培养了好多当地员工，让他们学习中餐的制作流程技能，然后向他们讲述了中国饮食文化。
In the future, I would like to even open my own restaurant and specialize in the Chinese recipe more.